Hi everyone, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna use most common grocery ingredients to make authentic Chinese food at home. And this dish name is fried egg and tomato. This is the first dish I learned from my mom, and this is also the first dish most families teach their kids. Okay, let's have a look at what the ingredients we need. To cook this dish, everything we need is right here. Those ingredients here is for 2 servings. We need 2 tomatoes, 3 eggs, salt. Normally, I like to use garlic salt because it gives a little bit flavor in it. Regular salt is okay. And soy sauce. You may not have it at home, but you can easily find it in your local groceries. And a little bit sugar. Okay, let's get started. First, crack the eggs. Now let's mix it. I'm used to using chopsticks, but you can use whatever you want. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt in it just to give it a little bit flavor, but don't add too much because we're gonna add salt and soy sauce later. Okay, it's done. Next, let's cut the tomatoes. In this one, we cut it into a little cube, not too small because after you cook it, it will become even smaller. So you can just casually cut it to no matter what pieces, it's okay. Okay, let's set the ingredients aside and start the fire. Now that we turn the fire to high, and let's add some oil to it. Let's turn a little bit and wait until it's hot. So now that the oil is hot, you can see a tiny smoke coming from the pan. It's time for the egg. Let it set a little bit. We're not making scrambled eggs, so let it be a little bit hard, and we can flip it a couple times. If it looks like this, it's done. Let's put it back to the bowl. Now let's cook the tomatoes. We need to add a little bit of oil back. Now let's add the tomato. You can hear the sound here, that means it's the right time. If you didn't hear it, that means your oil is not hot enough. Next time you will wait a little bit longer. In order for the tomato to have the juice out, let's press it a little bit. Now the juice are out, let's add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We see there's already a lot of juice here, so let's go ahead and add the eggs. Mix it gently because you don't want your egg to be little tiny pieces. Add a little bit salt for taste. Also wait a little bit to let the egg absorb the juice. What my mom taught me, the key of this dish is to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to make it taste a slight sweet. Like most of the Chinese dish, we don't have to strictly follow those ingredients measurement. You can taste it while you cook it, so you know how does it taste. If it need more salt, need more soy sauce, it's all up to you. That's why Chinese food can taste very different from family to family. We're almost there. All we need to do is wait for those ingredients to absorb those juices and we'll be done. Okay, the dish is done. So here it is. After you have those ingredients absorb those juices, this will be a really delicious dish. If you have green onions, you can sprinkle a little bit green onion on top of it. It will just give it more color. I love this dish, fried egg and tomato over rice, because the juice with the rice, oh my god, it tastes really good. It can also go over the noodles, or even you eat it like this itself, it tastes really good too. Brian, have a taste.
Delicious as always. She does a fantastic job with the traditional Chinese food. Give this recipe a try. You'll love it.
Okay, thank you for cooking with me today. I hope you like this dish. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom. And we'll see you next time. Bye. How is it?
Hot.